Welcome to my channel. It's a very hot day today. It says 88 but feels like 100. Hopefully you're doing well, you're taking care of yourself. It's summer. I'm not gonna complain. Minnesota, we get long, cold, very cold winters. So it's what it is. Thank you so much. If this is the first time for you to visit, you know what to do. Watch the playlist, give us a like, subscribe, support the work. If you give thumbs up on this video, it will be pushed to more people. That's how you support us. Subscribing is free. It doesn't cost anything, and it's pretty easy. Just smash that like button and also subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, I want to thank you. Maybe I thanked you before, but I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting me over the years. You've been a subscriber for a long time. But if any of you are new or you subscribed recently, I appreciate you. Continue watching our videos, giving us a like, and supporting us. So hopefully you're taking care of yourself, you're spreading love, and you're staying. If you live in Minnesota, it's hot, you're staying cool. You found a way to cool down. Maybe you're at the lake, maybe you're indoor with air conditioning, AC, or those window units that cool the places. Either way, you're here, so I appreciate you. Driving in St. Paul, Minnesota. I have subscribers from, or people who watch videos from all over the world. Many different countries. I can't name all of them. I will name just a few. South Korea, Canada. Most of my subscribers and viewers are in the US. Kenya, South Africa, Morocco, Russia, Ukraine, the Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines. Maybe I just said that. It's all good. So if you watch and you're feeling good, you can leave a comment and say what country or state you're watching from. I always love to interact with my subscribers and those who watch this channel. It's a short drive going grocery shopping. I'm going to a store called Cub Foods. If you live in Minnesota, then you're familiar with Cub Foods. Super sunny and hot. See the little red sign that says Cub? That's a grocery store. That's where I'm going shopping. Buy some food. Grapes, some fruits, milk, water, and stuff. Alright. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in on the next video. Peace out.